Trust me, people are gonna stare at you, especially in winter. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I do fashion, curls, and lifestyle travel videos, so if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. Today we're going to talk about how to style color. I know it's not so easy at the beginning when you want to get more color into your wardrobe, but you have no idea where to start.
I hardly know where to start.
So I'm gonna help you out today. But before we get started, I'm just gonna explain the color wheel a bit, because this is used in all different fields. For example, in movies, in design, in photography, in videography. In all these fields, people use the color wheel to get a visually stimulating picture. And when it comes to color, there are 3 different properties that are really important to know. So there's hue, which indicates which kind of color it is. Like an orange doesn't always look the same, or a red. They're different tints of that color, and you can also see that on the color wheel that there are different tones of a color, so that's the hue. Then there's lightness, so that's pretty obvious. It's just how light or dark the color is. And saturation is the last property, and that's just how bright a color is. Like, for example, if you think of a pink, there's a very like lightish pink, and then there's this really strong bright pink. So let's have a look at the color wheel. When you look at it, you see 3 primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue. So these are like the main colors, and out of these 3 main colors you can kind of make the secondary colors, which are orange, violet, and green. So these are just a mixture of the primary colors. So for example, orange is just a mixture of red and yellow, or green is a mixture of blue and yellow. And then there are tertiary colors, which are just a mixture of the secondary and primary colors. So they're kind of the mix of the mix. For example, if you look at yellow and orange, so yellow being the primary and orange being the secondary color, there you have the mix of a yellow-orange. But if you look at orange and red, you get a red-orange tint. So they're both still orange, but they lean more to one primary color. This is just a basic understanding of the color wheel. So now let's come to the fun part, to the outfits. How do you style color? So the easiest and most simple way to style color is wearing one single color, so a monochromatic look. So no matter if it's in a nude color, so in a white, black, or in a color such as red, green, orange, whatever you like, just wear your whole outfit in that color. Monochromatic colors are the easiest to style because you really don't have to think much about it, and you just focus on one color only. The easiest way to do that is just to get a 2-piece that is in the same color. So I just have this outfit here. Is a really nice roughly white top and a midi skirt, also in a white color, and it looks so chic. Monochromatic looks will always make you look expensive and really chic, but it can also be in a really colorful color like orange or blue. You will always look put together in a monochromatic look. If you want to go one step further from monochromatic looks, then try tonal outfits. Tonal outfits are just one color but in different hues. So you can wear a red outfit, for example, and have a very like cherry red in your outfit, a burgundy red, and let's say a very orangey red. They're all red, but they're in a different hue. I love doing tonal outfits with the color brown. I know that's more of a nude color, but I think different brown tones go so well together. I have this example with this brown outfit where I would wear only brown tones, so a camel, a lightish brown. I love doing it with brown because, you know, because brown don't break down. There are so many nice brown tones, and which is perfect for fall as well. Tonal outfits are even easier to wear than monochromatic outfits because you don't really have to wear the same exact color, but it just has to be kind of in the same color family, and you will also look so chic. And it also gives a different dimension when you wear different tones of a color. It's a very easy to style tonal outfits and also get used to wearing color more. Next up, we have analogous colors. So if you're a little bit more risky and you got into the gist of wearing more color, then I suggest you try analogous colors. Analogous colors means that you wear 2 or 3 different colors together which are close to each other on the color wheel. So if you have a look at the color wheel, you see, for example, that green, yellow, and blue are very close. But you can do that all over the whole color wheel. So no matter which colors, just choose 2 or 3 colors that are next to each other and they will fit so well together even though they are different colors. As an example, I have this green dress here with the same green heels, but I paired it with this yellow jumper that it has like light green details, so it's not the same green as the dress, and also with a yellow bag. So you see that these colors go so well together. They're pretty similar and they're still a great pop of color. You can do that with any color combination. Just have a look at the color wheel and see which colors are next to each other. It doesn't have to be 3 different ones. You can also just choose 2 different colors like I did with green and yellow, and you will have such a nice outfit combination. So if you want to incorporate more color but you're not ready to do like really bright crazy mixtures, then try analogous colors. Now let's come to the most extreme color combination, and that is complementary colors. So pretty simple. Complementary colors are just the colors that are opposite from each other on the color wheel. So if you see, for example, red and green are complete on the other side of the color wheel, but they're called complementary because even though they are on the opposite sides, they go so well together. So I paired this same green dress with a red tights and green heels and a red bag to show you this extreme color clash, but it works kind of good together. I love this combination. Another example is yellow and violet. They're completely on the other spectrum, but they fit so well together. This is my favorite like contrasting color combination. I paired this yellow dress with this jumper I'm wearing right now, this beautiful violet color. You can see it's a great pop of color. It is very out there, but it goes so well together as well. This way you can really have a lot of fun with playing with colors. Another example is also orange and blue. They're also on the complete other side of the spectrum, but they fit so nicely together. So the next time you want to have a bit of a interesting look and more of a pop of color, then I suggest you try complementary colors. So just have a look at the color wheel, see which ones are on the opposite side of each other, and I promise you will have a look. Another combination I wanted to mention is the triadic combination. So when you have a look at the color wheel, you choose 3 different points that make a triangle, and these colors you can wear together. For example, green, orange, and violet fit so well together. They're a bit more out there because you mix more colors together, but they go really harmonious together. If you want to try out even more colors together, I suggest you try the triadic combination. Even more combinations you can try out with the color wheel, but I want to keep it simple for beginners so you can like get into this whole color thing. And started with monochromatic outfit, everything in the same color. You can try out tonal outfits, different hues of the same color, analogous colors, the colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, complementary color, opposite of each other, the really bold, bright combinations, or triadic combinations which combine 3 different colors on the color wheel. And these 5 are a great start into this whole color thing. I'm just gonna give you some general tips that you can incorporate.
Give it a try.
Easiest way to start out with wearing color is also getting accessories that are a pop of color to a really neutral outfit. So you could wear a white, a black, a brown, a very neutral outfit, and then you just take a really strong color like a red bag, yellow bag, a big scarf. I have this really nice pink scarf, for example, in winter, which is perfect. Shoes that are in a pop of color, or jewelry as well that are in a pop of color. I have this gorgeous blue earrings, for example, that are great. A hat in winter. So anything that is an accessory, just try out. The next time you go accessory shopping, try out to get a pop of color and mix that into your outfits. When you get more used to it, you can also try out different accessories of a different color. You can start out, for example, with a pink scarf and a pink bag, so in the same color, and the rest of the outfit is more neutral, and then when you feel more comfortable, you can even wear different accessories of different colors, like a pink scarf with yellow bag, for example, so that is more of a clash. But it's just accessories that are like standing out, and then you can also mix in your whole outfit that is in a pop of color. So depending on how comfortable you are with color, how much color you want to wear, accessories are a great way to start out. Also a great way is to wear a neutral base, for example, wearing black or gray jeans, and then you pop on like this sweater, for example, in this violet color, and that way it isn't too much. You start off slow with incorporating one piece that is colorful and the rest of the outfit is simple. I also have this outfit combination with this white fit that I showed you, so this monochromatic look, but throwing on this very like forest green trench coat, so I incorporate a little bit of color, but I have really this very neutral base. Another great way is also to wear denim as a neutral with color, so wearing denim jeans with a pop of color, like a sweater, a top in a very bright color, or accessories in a very bright color. That way you like tone the outfit down a little bit, but you still make it special because you wouldn't expect a very bright, nice color with that outfit. You can also try out denim in different washes. So wearing dark denim jeans with a lighter denim jacket, for example. So playing on this whole denim on denim trend, but incorporating different denim washes, which also makes the outfit stand out. Another tip is to look at the hue of the color and start slow. For example, if you're not so comfortable wearing a lot of bright colors in winter, for example, you can just wear more toned down colors, like for example this green trench coat I mentioned before. I could wear a very bright green, for example, with this outfit, but I chose this very like toned down green color. So start out with colors that aren't very saturated, very bright. That's a great way if you are not very comfortable at first, and then slowly incorporating more stronger saturated colors. And when you incorporate it, just incorporating one piece that has that color, for example an accessory or a one sweater, one pair of pants, just one color that is very bright, and keeping the rest a bit more toned down, or the colors not as bright. That's a great way, I think, because I know when you're starting out it can be quite uncomfortable and you don't feel so confident yet to wear that out. But trust me, people are gonna stare at you, especially in winter when you wear more brighter colors. But let me tell you, it makes their whole day. I've had people come up to me who would tell me that they really love the green scarf. Like I have a really nice green bright colored scarf, and I had a girl come up to me, ask me where I got it from, because my whole outfit was pretty neutral. I would just wear a very basic long coat and then this green bright color, and it just catches the eye, and I think it makes people's day as well, because everyone's kind of wearing pretty much gray and black and dark colors, which is fine too, but I think it can get a bit dark and grayish in winter, so you want to bring a bit of dopamine back to people's lives, and that's what I love doing, and I really encourage you to try that too. I know this whole minimal trend and classic trend is really going on right now.
I'm a minimalist.
Which is great too. I love these outfits as well, but let's not leave colors out.
Speak truth to power to make sure that everybody has a seat at the table.
Because how dark and gray can our life be? I mean, fashion is all about having fun, so I really encourage you to try it out, and you don't have to go all out, and you don't have to wear like a complementary contrasting color outfit at first if you're not comfortable with it. Like, look at the color wheel, see which combinations you could try out. And the last tip I have for you guys is to organize your closet by color. Taking the color wheel as an example and color coordinating your whole wardrobe will help you to find your outfits quicker, to know which combinations go together really well, to find contrasting colors that go together really well to see which combinations you could try out. It just helps you to have a better overview, because if everything's like a chaos and you have the neutrals together with the colors and everything's mixed up, you can't really see well and easily which combinations you want to try out. So I really suggest you get the neutrals together, the blacks, the whites, the browns, like darker tones, and then color coordinate your whole wardrobe, like the reds, the yellows, the orange, the different tones you have. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just so you have an overview, and then you can see, okay, I want to try out today a very contrasting color like a green and red today, or I want to try outfits that I have hanging next to each other, so analogous colors, green, yellow, blue, so you just have that in front of you. So I really suggest you try out color coordinating. And that was it of today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope I could give you some tips. I hope you got a better view on how to wear colors and how to combine in ways that will make you stand out. If you're interested in more fashion content, then head to my Instagram at @boldsarah fashion, where I have a lot of fashion reels. I get a lot of inspo on how to wear color. Also watch my last fashion video, which is 10 fall essentials you need. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. There are more fashion videos coming very soon, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!